How to contact Indodax support team. First of all, open the app on your device. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. From the menu, you will see the Help Center section. Under this, you will find several options such as Customer Service, Contact Us, and Live Chat. If you need quick assistance, tap on Live Chat to instantly connect with the Indodax support representative who can help resolve your issue in real time. You can explain your problem or ask any questions related to your account, trading, deposits, or withdrawals. If you prefer to reach out through email, tap on Contact Us or Customer Service. You will be able to fill out a support form or send the message directly to the Indodax support team. Make sure to include your registered email address and a clear description of your issue so they can respond quickly and accurately. The Indodax support team is available to assist with any account-related concerns, technical issues, or trading questions, ensuring a smooth and secure experience for every user. Now you know how to contact the Indodax support team easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.